fire chicken buldak noodles? First, I'm cutting the chicken breast. I'm going to use my gochujang butter that I made ahead of time. Put the chicken and butter aside for now. I'm using Carbonara Buldak noodles. Cook the noodles first. Once they're about 75% cooked, take them out and strain the water. Put the sauce into the pan with a little bit of noodle water, just like when you're cooking pasta. Add the strained noodles into the sauce. Cook them until the noodles are nicely coated and glossy. I'm torching the chicken and the gochujang butter so they get that smoky, seared flavor. You can use an oven or air fryer instead. Do not use a torch unless you fully know how to use it safely. Now on the pan, I add the seared chicken. Then add Cotija cheese on top. I torch everything one more time to melt the cheese and give it that beautiful finish. Do not use a torch unless you fully know how to use it safely. You can use an oven or air fryer instead. Add some chives. Look at this! Spicy, smoky, and creamy, so delicious.